Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo XC60. So from any screen, we're on nav at the moment. So if you click telephone, on telephone there, you'll see it's showing my phone there. It's connected at the moment. But if you click on OK menu at the top on this circular button, you've got call list there, contacts, message, notifications, and change phone. So if I turn it down to change phone, then click OK, you've now got a new menu. It's make discoverable, Barry's iPhone. That's one I want to delete. So I've highlighted that, click on OK, and now it gives you the option to delete device there. So that's highlighted, click OK. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? OK to delete, OK. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio device in this 2014 Volvo XC60. So first of all, we go to settings, we go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on. Then we're watching out at the bottom. Over to your center console here, it's on nav at the moment. So we click telephone, and then we click, it says no phone connected, OK to connect. OK. See, to my way of thinking, you'd need to wind it down to OK to connect and then click OK, but you don't. You've just got to click OK. So search for new phone, make car discoverable. I'm sure it is, but I'll just click on there anyway. Car in discoverable mode. Looking out here, my XC60, click on that. Do you want to connect to Barry's iPhone 13 Pro? OK to connect, exit, so that's exit there, and that's OK, so we click OK. And then Bluetooth pairing request, pair. Does it match the numeric key? Well, yes, it did. So again, OK. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow, just turn that down. The audio streaming came on straight away. So let's just see, it'll say my XC60 connected. So that's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio through the Bluetooth system in this 2014 Volvo XC60. So first of all, you decide what record you want to play. There's one playing here, and it's showing that if that's set right, whatever is playing, whatever audio is playing on your phone, whether it be YouTube soundtrack, Spotify, Amazon Music, or Apple iTunes, it will play through the system. So we'll go back here, I'll click play, we'll turn that up. As you can hear, nothing's playing here at the moment. So what we need to do is go to media, click on media. That's showing it's on auxiliary radio, so it's not going to play. That would only play something that's plugged into the auxiliary socket in there. So again, we click media again. Now it brings up another menu, and you'll see there we've got Bluetooth. So we just turn this control till we highlight Bluetooth and click OK. That's it. Train drops of Jupiter. If I turn this up now, that's how you play music. Now there is another thing. It may not play straight away, because if I just go to, let's see, if I just go to menu there, you'll see there play, shuffle, change device. So if I go to change device and click OK, it then shows you which phone will play music through. So if your phone isn't playing, you just have to do that, highlight it like so, and then click OK. Connect for media, OK. So that's connecting John's phone. He's in the office, so it's not going to play. But that's how you do it. So if it's still not playing, just make sure that your phone is sanctioned to play the music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2014 Volvo XC60. Any screen, it's on phone at the moment, we click on nav there. You can't really see anything there, so nothing's showing. Click on nav again. Now, set address. See, we're on set address there. Point of interest itinerary, but set address. OK. City, but we want postcode, so we click OK. That's onto city. And then you'll see 1, 2, 3 more arrow sideways and postcode. So I have to turn this now, there you go, until postcode's highlighted. Click OK. Now we can put the postcode in. So we'll go back to the letters, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howelton, Preston, P, R. We now need numbers, so it's highlighted numbers there, so we'll click OK for numbers, and then go down 5, 4. It's gone back to ABC there, so click OK for ABC, and then we want E, A. PR54E8. Now we have to click OK again, even though we just typed that in. Set as single destination, OK.
The route is being calculated. Please proceed to the highlighted route.
That's it done. Not the easiest system in the world to do, but once you've done it a couple of times, it's second nature. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.